Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete method to target a US audience on TikTok, even if you live outside the United States. A lot of people struggle with getting their videos pushed to the US market, so in this guide I'll show you exactly what you need, how to set everything up, and how to keep your account safe. Let's get started. The first thing you need is an old iPhone that you're not using anymore. This will act as your dedicated TikTok device so nothing from your main phone interferes with the algorithm. Go into Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. After the reset, the phone will be completely clean, which is exactly what we want for a fresh US setup. Next, get yourself a US travel SIM card. These are super cheap on Amazon and they work perfectly for this method. Just choose a good one with solid reviews and order it. You don't need a real US phone plan. The Travel SIM is enough to give your phone US-related signals. When the phone restarts after the reset, make sure that during the setup process, you select United States as your country region. This step influences your App Store region, device metadata, and some of the internal signals TikTok reads, so don't skip this. Now go to your PC or laptop and create a brand new Apple ID. Use a fresh email and fill in US details. You can grab a random address and zip code from any US address generator online. Once the account is created, sign into this Apple ID on your iPhone. Very important, keep your location services, Bluetooth, and cellular data turned off. We want TikTok to rely only on the signals we provide, not your real ones. Next up, VPN. This is one of the most important steps in the entire method. You absolutely must use a premium VPN. Free VPNs leak your IP, disconnect randomly, and ruin the setup. I personally recommend VPN. It's extremely stable, one of the best options for TikTok region switching, and the pricing is super cheap. There's also a special discount link waiting for you in the pinned comment below. Once you have it, open VPN, choose any US server, and stay connected the whole time, before downloading TikTok, during the sign-up process, and while using the app every day. Now it's time to install TikTok. With the VPN active and the SIM card inside the phone, download TikTok from the US App Store. Create a brand new account using your email. Never reuse old accounts because TikTok already knows their region history. After creating the account, don't upload anything for a few days. Just warm it up, scroll through US videos, follow a few US creators, and interact naturally. This helps TikTok understand what region your account should be in. And that's the whole setup for getting your TikTok content pushed to a US audience. Follow these steps exactly and you'll see your For You page shift into the United States within a few days. If you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below and I'll reply. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for the special discount for VPN. And if this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.